Guys, so here is this one for. So guys, I've been using this particular VPN for a couple of days now, and I think it's very good. So I want to recommend it to you guys, more especially we Ghanaians, okay, and non-Ghanaians can also use it. It's very good. So it's called Electron VPN Pro. Okay, so you go to Play Store, you can find it there. So let me show you on Play Store. So you go to the search bar, there you type Electron VPN Pro. So this is how it is. Okay, I've already installed it, so just click on open. Open it. I think it's very good. So this is the splash image. See how beautiful it looks. So they are asking us to join their Telegram channel. I'm already in the Telegram channel, so later. So this is how it is. It has multiple servers, okay, Ghanaians and Nigeria and other countries. So I'm using Telecel Unlimited, so I'll choose this server, okay, this one. Okay, it's very simple. And if you are a Nigerian or you are from any other country too, you can choose your server. There are a lot of servers over there. Okay, so after choosing your server, make sure you open or you load the app with some amount of data. You have data already, at least 2 megabytes or 5 megabytes to load it, so that the servers will load for you to select. Okay, and before you be able to use this particular app, you have to add timer. So they click on the timer, you watch some adverts, so the advert will reward you with the time. So you click on it, the advert will come, then you watch it for some few seconds. After then you'll be given the time. So then you go to your dialer. Okay, you go to your dialer, then you activate the pay as you go. Wait for Ghanaians, you dial *700#. Okay, then you follow the prompt. Okay, so option 7, I have tutorial on this particular one. Okay, how to buy the data and all that. Then from there you come in, buy the 10 pesos, which is *110#. Okay, there you follow the same procedure. Like I said, I have the tutorial on my YouTube channel. To then you buy your own the airtime, which is 10 pesos or 20 pesos. Then you come into the app. Okay, you come into the VPN. Then you make sure your network is on 4G. Your Telecel network is on 4G, and those outside Ghana to the non-Ghanaians too, just make sure your network is on 4G. Then you come and click on connect or start. Okay, so let's click on start. Okay, let's click on, then you come to log. Okay, so it is connected. Okay, so this is how to go about it. It's very simple. So I think this app has actually come to save some of us, especially those of us who can't create the file. So instead of you creating file, looking for a VPN to create the file, I think you can use this VPN. Okay, so kindly stay tuned to my channel, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.